Good morning, class 11. In this class, we will learn about how to construct a simple linear scale. According to the sum, the total length of the scale was 14.2 centimeter. So at first, we have to draw a line, and the length of the line will be 14.2 centimeter. After that, we have to draw a angle that will be 45 to 50 degree. So the angle will be 45 to 50 degree. Then after drawing this angle, then we have to divide this line into 5 parts. Why 5 parts? Because we have already taken the number of primary division is 5. That's why we have to divide this line into 5 parts, and the length that we have already calculated in the sum. So the length of one primary division was 2.85. So by the measurement of 2.8, we have to divide this line into 5 parts. After that, we have to join the last point, this is, and this point by a scale. After that, from this line, we have to parallelly draw the others line like this with the help of a set square. Okay, then we will draw a line that will be more or less 90 degree from this point and from this point. After that, these two lines, we have to divide these two lines into another 5 parts. Why it will be divided into 5 parts? Because from the sum we have already get that the number of secondary division will be 5. That's why we have to divide this two line into 5 parts, and the measurement you will take 0.5 or 0.4. After that, after dividing this line, we have to join the last point of this line to this point, and this point to the last point of this line, and after that we have to join the another point like this. And after doing this, we have already drawn the primary division, and this divisions are called primary division, and the remaining division are called secondary division. After this, we have to just only decorate our scale, and for the decoration of the scale, we have to just draw two parallel lines, and after that we have to join this line like this with the help of a scale. And after the joining of this line, we have to fill this small part of this scale with the help of pencil. Okay, so we have to fill the part of the scale like this, and after that we will write the value of primary division as I have written 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and the value of secondary division 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like this. And after the completion of the drawing of linear scale, don't forget to write the primary division like this, the secondary division, and always write the RF here, and put a heading also here, that linear scale, and you have to complete this linear scale like this. I hope you all understood how you all have to construct a simple linear scale. Thank you.